BIB, Bag-in-Box Filling Machine Operation Video Instruction. Thank you very much for purchasing our BIB filling machine. For saving you the time and effort of installing the machine you get is the whole machine without any disassembly. Now please follow the steps below to study how to operate our machine. Step 1. Behind the machine you will find a small tube connect with the stainless steel tray just under the filling nozzle. Please take out a clean small container and put the tube in it. Step 2. Put the suction tube into your product drum. Step 3. Connect the machine's air source processor with 8 mm air tube to your air compressor or gas storage tank. Adjust the air pressure reach to 0.6, which shows on the meter. We have adjusted it well. Please adjust it if air pressure is not 0.6. Please follow the instruction below. Pull the cap up, screw it with counterclockwise direction, air pressure will become low. Screw it with clockwise direction, air pressure will become high. Press the cap down after you adjust it well. Step 4. Connect with the single-phase electric power supply. Step 5. Make sure the material supply pump under the machine working desk is on. Step 6. Twist the power button to turn on the machine and wait for the machine to enter the operating system. Step 7. Start the machine. There are two ways. First way, press the button Start on touch screen. Second way, press the green button. You can check the machine status in the bottom of the touch screen. Step 8. Stop the machine. There are two ways. First way, press the button Stop on touch screen. Second way, press the red button down for emergency stop. Please don't forget to twist the red button up before you start the machine after you press it down. You can check the machine status in the bottom of the touch screen. Step 9. Button explanation in touch screen program. Current output means how many bags you have filled. 0 means clear the quantity of the bags you have filled. Vacuum time means how many seconds the machine will suck the air in the bag before filling. Filling capacity means the filling volume reference value. Please notice this is not exactly ml. 1650 is not the meaning of 1650 milliliters, because different kinds of liquid have different density. 1650 is 2000 milliliters for water. So, you have to try it yourself for several times, filling then weighing the bag with your product until you get the right value. You can write it down for next time production. Nitrogen addition means how many seconds the machine will fill the nitrogen into the bag after finished filling the product. Please notice that the data here we have adjusted well. Beside filling capacity, please don't change other data until it is needed. Step 10. Check your bags, and your bags should have a gap between cap and bag mouth which is not totally pressed down. Step 11. Check and make sure that the cap's direction is the same as ours in the video after you insert the bag into the bag holder. Now, check the machine touch screen and make sure machine statue is work in progress, then we can start to fill the bag. Hold the handle and press it down, machine will grab the caps automatic. Then lift the handle up, twist the filling nozzles and then press it down, machine will suck the air at the bag, then product filling, nitrogen filling automatic. After all these, lift the filling nozzle up and twist the capping head back and press it down, machine capping head will automatically release the claws, then lift up the capping head. We are strongly suggesting you should use water instead of your product to operate our machine until you are familiar with it. Thank you. Thank you for watching and please feel free to contact us for further technical support. ChaoXian Pack, your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.